Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 23rd, 2024, and we're diving into GE Vernova's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. GE Vernova has reported some intriguing numbers this quarter, and I'm excited to break them down with you.
Great. GE Vernova, a leader in the energy sector, has just released its financial results for the third quarter of 2024. Let's get started. Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. GE Vernova reported a total revenue of $8.9 billion for the third quarter, which is an 8% increase year over year. John, what are your thoughts on this growth?
Absolutely. The revenue growth is quite impressive, especially considering the 10% organic growth. This indicates strong performance in both equipment and services, with services revenue growing by 7% organically. It's a testament to GE Vernova's strategic focus on expanding its service offerings.
Despite the revenue growth, the company reported a net loss of $0.1 billion. Can you explain this?
Yes, the net loss is primarily due to incremental contract losses in the offshore wind segment. However, it's worth noting that the net income margin improved by 110 basis points, showing progress in profitability.
And what about their cash flow?
GE Vernova generated a positive free cash flow of $1.0 billion, a significant improvement driven by strong working capital management. This is a positive sign for their financial health.
Segment performance analysis. Let's delve into the segment performance. Starting with power, they reported orders of $5.2 billion, a 34% organic increase. What drove this growth?
The growth in power was led by higher gas power services and equipment, including a significant order for 3 H-class gas turbines in Japan. The segment's EBITDA margin also expanded by 470 basis points, reflecting improved productivity and pricing.
On the other hand, wind orders decreased by 19%. What's happening there?
The decline in wind orders is mainly due to lower onshore wind equipment orders outside North America. However, onshore wind had its most profitable quarter in years, partially offsetting losses in offshore wind.
And electrification seems to be doing well with a 17% increase in orders.
Indeed, electrification is benefiting from growing demand for grid equipment and services, with revenues up 22%. The segment achieved its first quarter of double-digit EBITDA margin, a significant milestone.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. GE Vernova has been active on the strategic front. They released their first sustainability report. How does this align with their business strategy?
The sustainability report outlines their commitment to electrifying and decarbonizing the world, which is central to their mission. It highlights their progress and future goals, reinforcing their leadership in the energy transition.
They also monetized a 16% stake in their Indian subsidiary. What impact does this have?
This monetization brought in $0.7 billion in pre-tax proceeds, strengthening their cash position and simplifying their shareholding structure. It's a strategic move to capitalize on strong equity valuations in India.
And what about their future outlook?
GE Vernova reaffirmed their 2024 guidance, expecting revenue towards the higher end of $34 to $35 billion and free cash flow trending towards the higher end of $1.3 to $1.7 billion. This reflects confidence in their strategic direction and operational improvements.
Key takeaways. In summary, GE Vernova has delivered a solid performance in the third quarter of 2024, with notable revenue growth and strong cash flow generation. Their strategic initiatives and reaffirmed guidance indicate a positive outlook.
Indeed, while challenges remain, particularly in the wind segment, the overall performance and strategic moves position GE Vernova well for future growth. Investors should keep an eye on their progress in sustainability and energy transition technologies.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on GE Vernova's performance in the comments below.